Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, students? Open your maths book, countdown, and open page number 89. Page number 89. You have to ready this page, mention the date. 13 January 2021. In the mate, you will write C.W, and in this corner, you will write the day, Wednesday. Today, we will learn about calendar. You have to open your book, Maths for Early Learner also, and open page number 82 and 83. You can see here its unit calendar. Today we will learn about the days of week and months name, months of the year. With the help of these two pages, page number 82 and 83 of Maths for Early Learner, we will do the page number 89 of Countdown book. Yes, students, see here, there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 7 days make 1 week. 4 weeks makes 1 month, and there are 12 months in a year. First month is January, second is February, third one is March, fourth one is April, fifth one is May, sixth one is June, seventh one is July, eighth is August, ninth is September, 10th is October, 11th is November, and 12th month is December. There are 12 months in a year. Calendar is a table that shows all the days and months of the year. In these all months, we have different days. Few months have 31st days and few months have 30 days. February month is a special one. It has some 28 or 29 days. I will show you a calendar. So you will see how many days are here in a month. Calendar is like this. It's the month of January. Here is February. Here is March. Then which month is there? April. It's May. Then June. July. August. September. October, November, and December. So how many months are here in a year? 12 months. And how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So now we will write here in the calendar on the page number 89. So how many days all the months have? I will show you a trick with your both hands. Can you see my knuckles? See here, I have written those months name which are having 31st days. Look here. Here are my knuckles and here are the gaps. So I will tell you how you will count the days. Look, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Which months are coming on knuckles? They have 31st days. And which months are coming on these gaps? They have 30 days. Now you will write with me. January has 31st days. So you will write here 31. I have told you that Feb is a special month. It has 28 or 29 days. So we will write here 29 or 28. In the leap year, there are 29 days. 2020 was the leap year. So every 4 years, it comes the next leap year. Now, 2021 is having 28 days in February. Then March is coming on our knuckles, so it has 31st days. So you will write here 31. April has 30 days. So we will write here 30. 30. May again has 31 days. We will write here 31. June has 30 days. July has 31. August has 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31. November has 30 days. And December has 31. You all can practice on your knuckles also, and you will see the magic. How I have told you. See, you can write like this. I am telling you again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. After July, the next knuckle is August, September, October, November, and December. All of you have done this page?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question from you
Yes,
all?
ma'am. Yes, 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 ma'am.
Next
Yes,
page, page
ma'am.
number 90.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am,
turn the
page
page to number 90.
Ma'am, page number
90. Here we will learn about days of week.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First day of the week, Tuesday is the second day of the week. It's written on your book. You can see. It's written here.
Yes,
Monday
ma'am.
is
Yes,
the first day, Tuesday is the second day, Wednesday is the third day, Thursday is the fourth day, Friday, fifth day,
31,
sixth
22, 31,
is
32,
the seventh day.
20, 28,
Now
30, 31, 30,
we will think and right here you people will tell me the answer of these questions which
30,
are written
30,
here.
30, 13 by 30.
You will raise your hand and then you will tell me
Mama.
which is the first day of the week. Raise your hands and tell me the answer. Which is the first day of the week? Yes, usually. Unmute your
मैम
mic.
मैम
Yes.
मैंने भी कर ली है मैम मैंने भी कर ली है
Now you have to tell me which
मैम
is the
मैंने भी
first day
कर
of
ली
the week.
है मैम मंडे
Yes,
मैम मैंने
good.
भी कर ली है मैम मैंने भी कर ली है मैम मैंने भी कर ली है मैम मैंने भी कर ली
See the next one. Which day comes after Tuesday? Raise up your hands to tell the answer. Which day comes after Tuesday? Yes, beta. Aisha, unmute your mic.
Wednesday
Yes, good. You will write the spelling of Wednesday. It's written here Wednesday. Wednesday. Now see the next one question. Which day comes before Friday? Which day comes before Friday? Who will give the answer? Raise up your hands. Yes, Hassan, unmute your mic.
Thursday
Yes, you will write here Thursday. The spelling of Thursday written here Thursday. Thursday. See your next one question. Which is the last day of the week? Who will tell me last day of the week? Yes, Hurul and beta. Unmute your mic. Purulan.
It's Friday.
No, last day of the week is. Who will tell? Yes, Rohan. Beta, unmute your mic.
Unmute.
Yes. Which is the last day of the week? Yes, Rohan.
Sunday.
Very good. You will write here the spelling of Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Which day comes between Monday and Wednesday? Which day comes between Monday and Wednesday? Who will tell me the answer? Yes, Hashim. Unmute your mic.
Tuesday.
Yes, it's Tuesday. You will write here the spelling of Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. So today we have learned about days of week and days, months of year. It's all about calendar. I have told you a trick also. You people will practice it. And how we come to know that these months have, how many days these months have. I will share a poem of days of week and months name with you. Please, you people, send your names, class, in section in the chat box. All of you have to write your names, class, in section and send a message. On the page number 84 of Maths for Early Learner, that is your homework.
मैंने लिख दिया। एक मिनट, मुझे 84 बताया ना मैंने लिख दिया।
Page number 84 of Maths for
जल्दी
Early
जल्दी
Learner.
बोलती है इसलिए मैं
Take to this page, that is your homework.
मेरे पास तो पेज नंबर 90 है।
Number 89 and 90 we have done of countdown book. I'm talking about your Maths for Early Learner book. You have two books of maths. So Maths for Early Learner. Pages we have done today.
मैम कौन सा पेज?
Page number 84. You have homework.
मैम कौन सा पेज? नोटबुक का होमवर्क करना है, बुक नहीं करना है। मैम पेज नंबर
84 page number of book Maths for
मैम बुक में होमवर्क करना है, नोटबुक में। मैम
to do that on book.
बुक पे। मैम
Yes, आपको बुक पे वो पेज करना है।
मैम करना है मैम। मैम घर का नाम कौन सा?
पेज नंबर 84 ऑफ मैथ्स फॉर अर्ली लर्नर।
ओके मैम।
Okay, beta, take good care of yourself. You all have to send name.
मैम पेज नंबर क्या पेज?
Okay, beta, take good care of yourself. Page number 84 of Maths for Early Learner is your homework. You have to learn these 12 months name and days of week as well. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज मैम। अल्लाह हाफिज मैम। अल्लाह हाफिज मैम।